have a quilt on my old queen bed, a haphazard bunch of patches, and each reminds me of a friend, all so different, yet not one clashes. Megan's that scrap of faded denim with sapphire buttons, a hint of satin. Judy's pewter velveteen, luxurious in tailored pleats. Bermuda magenta, silk and lace, nothing ordinary or commonplace. And these friends make up my quilt, they keep me warm, they cover for me. We're pieced together without a pattern, frayed at the edges, but our pledge of love is the thread that holds together, my girl. I have a